attended today's workshop because at the McPim Foundation we are passionate about expertise by experience, and most of us have lived experience of mental health issues of some kind, and so I wanted to improve the wellbeing offer to our team.
I have recently, in my new role, been welcomed into the wellbeing team, so I wanted to come today to share a bit more with the team because we're looking deeper into our wellbeing challenges.
I came because I have a long-standing interest in health. It's very important to me, and I was hoping to learn, and have learnt masses.
The most useful thing is sharing and talking to like-minded individuals and the knowledge and passion of the tutor, which really I learned a lot from.
I loved the deep dive into the domains of wellbeing, and it really helped in my head define what wellbeing is and what some of the gaps might be.
It was very thought-provoking. I enjoyed it immensely, and I want to review what went on today so that I can see a way forward.
After today, I'm going to interrogate my wellbeing data a lot better than I have been, and I'm going to talk to our line managers about how we can further develop and make our offer to the team more consistent.
I'm going to go back and shout all about wellbeing to our wellbeing support team and look forward to creating our wellbeing statement and mission.
I shall go back and discuss this with the MD and see how I can find the time to pull together a strategy that's going to work for our organisation.